Location grid 7-9er. I've got a python of unbelievable size.
Hurry, there isn't much time. Thompson out.
Sector 4, mobilize now. We have a high priority extraction.
Confirmed, moving to staging area.
Doi Q-Ho, let's move. Check your gear.
Confirmed. All teams ready.
The target is here. Grid reference Delta 4. We move in from the east at 0500 hours.
Understood. Moving to position.
Target is a unidentified species of python, estimated over 40 feet.
How much further?
The bridge is washed out up ahead. We have to reroute now.
They went that way, deep in the ravine. We have to hurry, it's unstable down there. It's just over that ridge. The bear's barely breathing.
Mark and Lena, you're on high-dose tranquilizers. Aim for the head.
Brace yourselves, lift on 3. 1, 2. Steady, moving forward.
All units, stand by. Fire on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Target is sedated. Ground team, move in now. Move, move, move.
Breathing is very shallow. Gums are pale, we're losing him. Get the oxygen ready now.
We have a strong pulse. He's stabilizing. All right, team, prepare for transport.
Easy there, big fella. You're safe now. Just rest. The python is secure! Bring the second net forward! Move it!
Net secure! Clear the area!
Roger! Lifting the bear!